little trim, then with my clip-in fringe, cut into wispy curtains, retro.
So you got one of the Beauty Works clip-in
Yes.
fringes, yeah?
Yeah.
What shade did you get?
This is in Calabasas.
Calabasas, okay, nice. Have you seen any sort of inspiration, like how you kind of want it cut?
Your work. You've done before. Oh, look at that. I really love the wispy fringe, I just love it.
Yeah,
Oh,
amazing.
so retro, so vintage.
Okay, hair washed and we'll get started.
Okay.
First of all, we are going to wet this front bit. How's that feeling?
Absolutely amazing.
It looks so nice.
It's so perfect.
It looks very natural, like you would not be able to tell it's a clip-on fringe.
It's exactly the vintagey style I was after.
Oh, amazing.
Thank you so much.
Let's Jane Birkinify my hair. Step 1. I like to have a spray bottle on me so I can make sure that my hair is completely wet. This will just make it easier to cut. So I've been growing out my bangs, which is why they're here. They used to be here. It's been a minute, actually. I'm kind of surprised at how much hair growth I have. I'm gonna go for more of like a Jane Birkin effortless chic bang, a shorter, smaller bang. Instead of taking all of these side pieces, I'm just gonna take this in the middle. See that straight line there? Part both sides so that it's like a triangle shape. A common mistake I see with people who cut their bangs at home is that they like immediately go in at the length they want. You need to add more room than that, so there's room at the root to have some lift. Okay. Dry the bangs to see if we need to do any layering. I literally cut them to the perfect length. That's right. What do you guys think? I think that it's so cute. I love having bangs. I've had bangs for like 10 years now, on and off. Every time I let them grow out, I'm always like, I feel naked. Like, I feel like I need something on my face. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope this helped. Love you guys. Bye.
Hi, I'm going to show you how to do the Birkin bangs. This came from the actress Jane Birkin. She always had the most beautiful bangs, and this is how we do it. Whenever creating any fringes, naturally we want to stay here and create. The only issue with that is anything you create here right on the body is going to lie flat and look relatively harsh. To create this fringe, I'm going to do all my cutting lifted and elevated off the body. Now it's dried, can you see how soft that fringe is? And it really gives that natural roundness working on the shape of the head. I'm just going to come in and retrace my steps and just shatter through slightly. There it is, the Birkin bangs. Very, very modern look on how to do a soft fringe. Broken around the edges. Volume through the middle, very versatile, perfect. I hope you enjoyed it and thank you very much.
What do you want to do? Like, have you been loving the 28th?
I've been loving them. I want to do bangs again.
Okay.
Like, even maybe a little bit shorter, like still kind
So
of
you go
curly.
down.
Yeah, but, and I can like hide them if I really want.
Okay. So put your neck a little.
Whatever you think.
Wait, wait, that's so
Bangs are the best accessory you can have. So if you can't have a Birkin bag, have the next best thing, some Birkin bangs. Yes! So first off, we cut the shortest section first. It's smack dab right in the middle. Then we're going to over direct everything forward because that's going to make sure you're keeping the length. And it's going to create that swoop effect. Now, she has a really fine density hairline, so you can go back further, about probably another inch if they had more density. I'm slide cutting, deep point cutting, because they need to be fluffy, soft, elegant. And the slide cutting I was creating is going to push and slide and help them swoop away out of her face. I'm going to go through, check the style, because those weren't styled. I simply just took my comb and blow dried side to side and cut them. So now we're going to take our big round brush, some cool air, swoop them down, and we're going to check the style, shake them out, and detail any extra little guys if they need it. Let's show you guys a side profile. So cute, so pretty, best accessory, some Birkin. Ooh. I have been very inspired lately by Jane Birkin. After buying my first Birkin, I just really started looking into her and her life and everything, and she just had that like effortless cool girl vibe, and I want that, so I cut my bangs. And I just love a 60s fringe with like messy effortless hair, so let me style it. Already styled. This is like going on day 3 hair. My hair has a natural wave to it, but I wanted to make it even more like messy, so I'm just going to run a few curls through. Like I was saying, I was cut off. I'm gonna run a few curls through it, but make sure that the ends are straight. So this is what I'm gonna do for the messy effortless. I'm not even gonna touch this bottom half. Like, I'm just going to do that, a few curls throughout, and texturized spray, hairspray, and then tweak my bangs a little bit. 60s French messy look. I'm gonna say it again. I love it. It's just so fun and chic. And I'm always wanting to do something different to my hair, like always, except for like cut it. Like, I'm so scared to do like a major cut. So every now and then I'll get the itch to cut my bangs, and they grow out so quickly. So even if I want to sweep them to the side, I can. It's just something fun. So let me just do a few curls and I'll show you. Okay, I literally put maybe 5 curls on each side, and I'm just going to mess it up a little bit, kind of run my fingers through it without completely messing up the curl, but you just really want that textured, messy look like this. And let me tweak my bangs really quick. Having bangs is you can wear them like this, like kind of straight across, very, oh my gosh, are they straight? Anyways, kind of straight across, very, you know, blunt, or you can mess them up and you can have them kind of swoopy. Like, I know Jane Birkin, she kind of does like this look. I don't know, it's very up to you, but I think for now I'm just gonna go with that straight across look. And there it is. I'm gonna call this a Jane Birkin bang. Very messy, very effortless. It looks like you put in a little bit of effort, but then again, it's like, oh, she's cool. Like, she can just wear her hair very natural and jump out of bed, even though I can't do that.